This is Aaron with West Michigan Ultrasonic. I pulled the old radiator from up in storage. It's from a straight rail late model. The radiator measures 30 inches wide by 20 inches tall by about 2.5 inches thick. I don't think we've ever cleaned this radiator. It's completely filthy, full of oil and oil dry and rubber and all sorts of stuff. So we're going to give it a clean and see what it looks like after. Okay, we're back. West Michigan Ultrasonic. Wanted to show you an example of how clean this is. You can see the half that I cleaned and the half that I didn't clean. You can see the perfect line down the center. And when I pulled it out, the water that came out of the inside of the radiator was just as dirty. It was unbelievable how dirty it was on the inside. Like I said, I think this radiator is no good. It was just one that we had upstairs that I wanted to do a test on, so, but just unbelievable. So now I'm going to put the whole thing in at once. The radiator is really clean. This is the front end of the radiator, and you can see that minus the damage that's already been done to it, it's really, really clean. It's hard to see in the video a little bit, I know, but after years and years of racing and cleaning radiators, I can tell you that this right here is unbelievable. So here's the back side. See, the aluminum is just perfectly spotless now. You know, when I try to look inside this thing, I don't see much dirt. I don't see much rubber or anything built up in there anymore. I did pick out a few pieces that were just barely loose on the front edges here. But the machine uses 3 different things to clean out parts. It uses an agitation table, which basically moves the part inside the solution. It also uses a biodegradable cleaning solution, so it's not intrusive to the part. It has no ill effects to it, and that includes aluminum, magnesium. I mean, I can do all different kinds of parts with it. And then it also uses the ultrasonic technology, which creates tiny little air bubbles all throughout the part, inside and outside, and implodes them. And if you go to my website, westmichiganultrasonic.com, you can kind of read up a little bit more about the process and how the machine works. But I can tell you, you won't be disappointed if you spend a little bit of money and have me clean your radiator. You'll save yourself a day and possibly a ruined radiator, because in the past I've ruined a few by trying to clean them with the wrong cleaning products. I've, you know, made them worse rather than better. So if you're a racer, you know what I'm talking about. If you have any questions, give me a call, 616-822-6962. And we'll talk to you later. Thank you.